A common question we get at RX Safety is how to order transition lenses from our website. You can get transition lenses with many glasses from RX Safety. From sunglasses to safety eyewear, we've got you covered. To start, have your glasses of choice ready and queued up on your screen. Next, select your frame from the options here. Then click Select Prescription Lenses. Here, you'll have a few things to pick out like lens type and material, but what we're concerned about is lens color. At RX Safety, we offer a healthy selection of different lens colors and shades, but also some specialty options like polarization and, of course, transition. Select your transition type of choice, then scroll down to customize the remaining sections. After providing your prescription information and leaving any notes that you may have, you're all set to check out.